The topic for today is how to use the exact color in a Revit model. So let's start. Let's open one project. Click on the default 3D view. Go to the Manage tab. Select Materials. Click on the Material browser in the bottom left corner. Click on Create New Material. Let's assign a name to the material, like External Pane 1. Tick on the Render Appearance box. Go to the Appearance tab. Click on Replace this asset. Search for Wall Paint. Click on the Wall Paint option. In this asset browser you can select any kind of default color, but in this lesson, we are going to learn how to apply exact external paint from the color catalog to the building model. So before applying or changing the color, let's go to Microsoft Paint and see how to pick the desired color. First, open the color catalog you want to apply to your model. Click on the Color Picker option, then click on the color you want to apply. Go to Edit Color. Make a note of the color codes or numbers for red, green, and blue. Again, repeat the process to pick the second color code or number and note it down. Let's go back to Revit. Next, click on Replace this asset. Close the asset browser. Now click on the Color option in the Appearance tab. In this tab, RGB color option, type the noted RGB values. Click OK. Now we can see that the wall paint color has changed to the chosen color. You can repeat the process to create different types of material finishes. Next, select any object from the model. Click on the Paint option. Search for your created material. Click on that material and do not close the pop-up window or press Escape. Click on the surfaces where you want to apply the created material. Since 3D modeling is a time-consuming job and required lots of patience, so this portion is fast-forwarded. So here you can see that building paint is changed to chosen catalog paint. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interesting topics.